What I'm using right now is 100% silicone. Found these really cheap at Home Depot, about $6, and it's good enough for you to put it all the way around here before you place the wood. Sorry, I'm out of breath. You have to run and grab all this stuff. Okay, so now the piece is in. I just haven't cut it yet, so now we have some clear silicone on it yet. But make sure the piece is fitted there nice and good. You can see the gaps are very minimal around. Here's probably about the biggest part, but I'll be filling up with silicone. This is basically matching with the drywall all the way around to the other end. As you see now, I got a lot of silicone that's behind it already. So I can actually glue it to the wall, and now I'm going to be screwing it to the wall itself as well. So there it is. It's a long, strenuous process to get to this stage. Now I start to douse it with tons of silicone. Every joint is going to get like doused with silicone back and forth. Even these guys are going to be just filled. And there will be no loose end right here when I'm done. This whole entire can of or container of silicone is probably going to be getting used, and it should be expected. Okay, so this is just the back part of the wall before you put the tiles on and any of that stuff. So make sure that all these gaps and holes are filled. There we go, all sealed in. I'm just going to rub it in right now. I'm going to come with some tape and tape over it. So when I'm done, I have the tape, goes all the way around, and I push it up as high as I can to glue onto the back of this. And I overlap the section over here, and I do the same all the way around with the tape to make sure it's sealed with silicone this time. Next, it's going to be the tiles and stuff that goes over to seal. That's going to be tonight, hopefully we'll get into that.